In part 1 of this tutorial, we set up our first interactive virtual classroom event on KMxLive. It included a PDF presentation, a website for the participants to interact with, a graded exam, and an e-learning lesson. In part 2, we conducted the event created in part 1, with participants that accessed KMxLive from a third-party learning management system and participants without access to the LMS that were invited by email. In part 3, we will review the data provided by KMxLive to the third-party LMS, review reports available on KMxLive, and review the interactive on-demand e-learning courses created by KMxLive during the event. One of our participants launched the event conducted in part 2 from the SCORM Cloud LMS. During and at the completion of the event, KMxLive provided the LMS with real-time updates of the participants' progress. The data provided included scores, suspend data elements, session times, and completion status. While we are waiting for KMxLive to create an interactive, on-demand e-learning course from our event, let's review some of the reports that are available on KMxLive. The first report option is the live event summary. It provides a drill-down report for all participants present in the live event. The next report option is the on-demand summary. There is a participant location Google Map report. Green pins represent users that passed the session. The blue pin is our moderator. The enrollment status report provides a waterfall chart that depicts the number of live and on-demand users by completion status. The exam response data option provides a drill-down report by user, with all exam and survey question responses. The event moderators reports provides information on the session presenters and moderators. Our event's interactive e-learning lesson has completed processing. KMxLive produces immersive interactive lessons, not the simple replay videos produced by our competitors. Let's view it at 6 times the normal speed and see if the on-demand user experience is as interactive and engaging as the live event. The actual event was over 30 minutes long. During the session, the presenter pushed an interactive URL that the participants could navigate and interact with. The presenter also pushed an exam multiple times to demonstrate the various interfaces available. Exams, quizzes and surveys delivered during a live event are also completed by the users in the on-demand version. The weighted grade results are provided to the LMS. One of the interfaces pushed was a competitive game. The game interface selected provided timed questions from our exam. It also provided interactive lifelines and a leaderboard. On-demand users play the game as if they were present at the live event and compete for the top spot on the leaderboard. The presenter also pushed an interactive third-party e-learning lesson. Lessons developed using the SCORM standard record user progress, session times and scores just as if they had been delivered from an LMS. The presenter used the KMxLive Set Complete option, which evaluates each user's scores, progress, and assigned weights to determine if the event requirements have been satisfied. Live and on-demand users that achieve the requirements are eligible to receive a completion certificate. After review of the interactive replay developed by the system, the resulting e-learning lesson can be made available to enrolled and invited event participants by selecting the Publish option. The system will notify these users that the live event has completed and allow them to access the e-learning version of the event. This feature enables individuals that could not attend the live event to complete the lesson requirements and receive credit for the event by completing the e-learning lesson. The e-learning replay lesson can be made available to an extended audience. To enable this feature, a storage subscription is required. All of the LMS data features are maintained for the extended audience by simply enrolling the new users in the lesson with your LMS. With a storage subscription, the e-learning replay can also be made available to the public by forwarding or posting the URL originally provided to the participants invited by email. We have completed part 3 of our tutorial. Please access the KMxLive support bots and site documentation for additional information.